Move the toilet paper.
Where you intend to fight me? Defeated.
Ouch.
Ouch.
Oh my god. It didn't go back in. Jesus, Nathaniel. I'm gonna put this on Heather's Facebook wall.
Why did she not take it?
Hi, Heather. Oh, wow, wow, wow.
It seems your power of the Force is not attuned as to mine. This contest can only be decided with our skills by a light saber.
I'm so scared for my life right now.
Fight well, you have, my old Padawan. This is just the beginning.